Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use WhatsApp on your Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So first of all, make sure that your watch is connected to the phone via Bluetooth and app Mi Fitness. Now, when you receive a message, as you can see, this notification pops up. You can dismiss it, or you can press this digital crown, swipe down, then to the left and delete it. Now, when you receive emoji in your text, unfortunately you will not be able to see it, as you can see right here. Also, if you tap here, you will not be able to go in the app directly, you need to do it through the phone. Unfortunately, you cannot see the photo that someone sent you, but you will have a notification that you have received this photo. And it will look like this. You can also dismiss it, or you can swipe down, then to the left and delete. Now, when you receive a phone call, your watch will inform you about this. To answer a call, simply press this green button. And what can you do here? You can mute your conversation. You can tap on these three dots, then on volume. And by moving this digital crown, you can increase or decrease the volume. Or you can do it simply by pressing these buttons. If you tap on this digital crown again, then again, you can press this red button and end the conversation. Also, if you take your phone, right here you can switch the speaker to the phone, for example. So, that's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.